Unlocking innovation, a world where deepfakes aren't just about deception. Join us as we reveal 7 groundbreaking ways deepfakes are empowering people across education, entertainment, and cybersecurity. Think deepfakes are all about trickery? Think again. While the term may conjure images of deceit and manipulation, today we'll delve into the positive aspects of this technology and how people are leveraging it for their benefit. From creative innovations to security solutions, we're showcasing how this advanced tech is being used for good. Join us as we uncover 7 distinct fields where individuals are using deepfakes to their advantage. Before we delve into the various applications, let's understand what deepfakes are. Deepfakes utilize a combination of deep learning and artificial intelligence to create fake pictures, sounds, and videos that appear remarkably authentic. Operating through a generative adversarial network, GAN, deepfakes consist of a generator and a discriminator. The generator crafts fake content by learning from the desired output, while the discriminator evaluates its authenticity, leading to a continuous improvement cycle. This technology can either alter existing content or generate entirely new material, providing an unprecedented level of realism. Now, with that said, let's take a look at some applications of deepfakes. Number 1. Education and training. Education is undergoing a revolutionary transformation with the integration of deepfakes. In the realm of professional training, deepfakes are providing unprecedented opportunities for lifelike simulations. Professionals can immerse themselves in realistic scenarios, enhancing their skills in a controlled environment. Beyond traditional teaching methods, deepfakes open avenues for innovative lessons, where historical figures come alive in classrooms. Through synthetic videos or recreated voices, students can witness history, making the learning experience not just informative, but engaging. The ability to recreate speeches or events that never occurred brings an exciting dimension to education, making it more immersive and memorable. Deepfakes in education extend far beyond the conventional, paving the way for a future where learning is not just about acquiring knowledge, but living through history. Number 2. Entertainment industry. The entertainment industry is witnessing a profound shift with the incorporation of deepfakes. Beyond the silver screen, deepfakes offer cultural and entertainment businesses a powerful tool for artistic expression. The Dali Museum's exhibition, Dali Lives, is a testament to the creative possibilities as visitors interact with a deepfake version of surrealist painter Salvador Dali. Similarly, Samsung's AI lab brings the Mona Lisa to life, showcasing the potential of deepfakes in merging art and technology. This artistic application transcends traditional boundaries, allowing for the resurrection of historical figures or the reimagining of classic artworks. As deepfakes continue to evolve, we can anticipate a new era of artistic expression where the lines between reality and imagination blur, captivating audiences in ways never before imagined. Number 3. Gaming industry. Within the gaming industry, deepfakes are poised to revolutionize the creation of avatars, the virtual personas that guide players through immersive digital worlds. Imagine a gaming experience where characters look and behave more like real people, enhancing the level of engagement and immersion. Game developers, who traditionally invest considerable time and effort into graphic design, can now utilize deepfake technology to expedite the creation of lifelike environments. NVIDIA, a prominent player in graphics and gaming technology, has demonstrated the potential of deepfakes in creating hybrid gaming environments. This intersection of artificial intelligence and gaming promises to deliver more realistic and personalized experiences, bringing players closer to the virtual worlds they explore. As we explore these innovative uses of deepfakes, if you're amazed by how this tech is changing the game, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the transformative world of technology. Now let's continue our journey into the realm of deepfakes. Number 4. Book creation industry. In the realm of literature, the book creation industry is experiencing a transformative wave with the integration of deepfakes. Authors now have the ability to infuse their written words with a unique synthetic voice, enriching the audiobook experience. This goes beyond mere narration. It allows authors to convey the intended tone and emotion precisely as envisioned during the writing process. Synthetic voiceovers become invaluable tools for businesses aiming to reach a global audience. With the same actor's synthetic voice adaptable to various languages, content can be made accessible to diverse populations without the need for separate recordings. This innovative application not only personalizes the audiobook experience, but also extends the reach of literary content to audiences worldwide. Number 5. Media industry. Deepfakes are reshaping the media landscape, serving as a vital shield for human rights activists and journalists operating in oppressive environments, in regions where expressing opinions freely can pose serious risks. Deepfakes provide a powerful tool for those fighting against injustice. Activists and journalists can utilize this technology to share critical information without revealing their faces or voices, adding an extra layer of protection to their work. Imagine a world where reporting on atrocities can occur while keeping identities hidden, empowering citizen journalists to expose human rights abuses. Deepfakes in the media industry not only serve as a shield for those in the front lines, but also contribute to the broader fight for transparency and justice. As a transformative force, deepfakes enable truth to prevail in the face of adversity, ensuring that voices are heard without jeopardizing the safety of those speaking out. Number 6. Marketing industry. The marketing landscape is undergoing a paradigm shift with the integration of deepfakes, especially for influencers seeking to expand their audience. Through this technology, influencers can craft content that resonates more closely with their followers, leading to increased engagement and a broader reach. A noteworthy example is the collaboration between a health charity and David Beckham on the Malaria No More campaign. Leveraging deepfake technology, Beckham effortlessly spoke in 9 languages, making the campaign globally accessible and relatable. Companies like Cynthia and vocal ideation startups are developing tools that utilize deepfake technology to adapt video and audio content naturally. These tools find applications in learning platforms, brand marketing, audience engagement, customer service, and public messaging, leveraging the power of deepfakes to enhance communication for different audiences and amplify impact. Number 7. Cybersecurity training. In the realm of cybersecurity, deepfakes are emerging as a groundbreaking tool for training programs. Imagine a high-tech training environment where employees learn to defend against cyber threats through realistic simulations created by deepfakes. These simulations, resembling lifelike video scenarios, immerse individuals in situations mirroring real-life cyber threats. Employees face challenges such as tricky phishing emails and cunning social engineering attacks, providing a virtual boot camp to build skills without real-world risks. Deepfakes play a pivotal role in making these simulations feel incredibly authentic, enabling individuals to recognize and counteract cyber threats effectively. This innovative approach ensures that employees are well equipped to navigate the complexities of the digital landscape, contributing to enhanced cybersecurity measures and safeguarding organizations from potential breaches. The fusion of deepfakes and cybersecurity training represents a crucial step forward in preparing individuals to tackle the evolving challenges of the digital world. As we close this chapter on deepfakes, it's clear this technology has a bright side. From revolutionizing learning to reshaping entertainment and enhancing security, deepfakes are truly a force for positive change. Found this enlightening? Then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Stay curious and join us next time for more tech insights.